Okay, my algebras, here we go. We're going to do our rational expressions dividing, right? So how do we divide these? Well, we know with any fraction, right? Any fraction we have, we always want to remember, like if I have 1/2 divided by 1/4, right? I keep the first, I change the sign, and I flip the second equation, right? So I get 1/2 times 4/1, and then this becomes a multiplication problem. I can either reduce here, which I'd want to do, and then I multiply straight across, right? And that's what we're doing today. But we're using polynomials. So we want to use our keep, change, flip. So I keep the first, I change the sign, and I flip the second. And now I reduce my fractions that I can see, right? That keep, change, flip, don't forget about that. I can multiply straight across if I'd like, and then reduce my fraction. This makes this one really easy because 24 divided by 24 is just 1. And a to the second wins by 1, and b to the fourth wins by 2. All right, on number 2, you see we are going to first keep, change, flip, right? But I'm going to go ahead and factor as I go. So I'm taking the first, I'm keeping it, but I'm factoring it first. And I'm changing my sign, and then I flip the second, and I cancel out, right? And I find my answer is just going to be 2x. So these are kind of fun. It's like the sock bin that we talked about in class, right? We get to match those pairs, but we're dividing them up. So we have to keep the first, but factor it out. 2 terms to multiply to be -3 and add to be 2 are going to be 3 and -1. And then I change that sign and I flip the second, factoring it. 2 numbers that multiply to be -8 and add to be -7 are going to be -8 and +1. And then I move that x plus 1 to the bottom because I flipped it. And I can gather my socks, right? And cancel them out. And then when I'm done, I don't need to redistribute anything. I just leave it factored, right? All done. Let's give you a U try before we move on to this. Factor first, right? That's the difference of 2 squares up there. And then we flip it and factor. And reduce, and we just get 2. All right. And pretty soon we're done. We'll also have a quiz. Okay, bye.